Hey, Professor. I'm Benjamin Rayleigh. Here's my ID. And my speech is about overpopulation. Have you ever wondered how many people are in the world today? Well, it's a lot of people. According to worldometer.info, as of January 9th, 2021, at 1:35 p.m., there was 7,837,889,175 people in the world. And this is growing every second. The population growth rate in 2020 was 1.05%. Now, this may not seem like a lot, but when you do the math, that's 81 million new people a year. And if we keep that same rate in 39 years, in 2050, there will be 11,779,192,374 people. That's a lot of people. The Earth is an amazing place, and we only have one. Unless, of course, Elon Musk somehow agreed to another one. I don't know, that man's crazy. But we only have one. And it's not very good to think about the future because you never know what the future's going to hold. But right now, that's what we need to think about. Overpopulation is listed as one of the 10 greatest threats to humanity. According to populationmatters.org, there are now too many people on the planet using too many resources and producing too many risky wastes. Human population growth at current levels exacerbates all other threats. Its seriousness and preventability are not being addressed in any country or internationally. What if we run out of food? What if we run out of water or natural resources like oil and minerals? What's going to happen? Well, we don't know. Because people, every day, every person is using these natural resources. And we don't have an infinite supply of them. So what's going to happen is the question. To put it in perspective, China has thought about this. They've thought about overpopulation, and for 36 years, China had a policy put in place where only one child was to be born for each family. And if more than one was born, the family would face punishments. After 36 years, China finally edited this policy and changed it to 2 children per family. Now, they mainly did this because they were trying to get out of poverty. And overpopulation, they knew it was coming. They knew it was a big deal. And this is why they put this policy in place. And China is one of the most populated places in the world. They have over 1.5 billion people. Now, according to everythingconnects.org, human population is among the most pressing environmental issues, silently aggravating the forces behind global warming, environmental pollution, habitat loss, the sixth extinction, intensive farming practices, and the consumption of finite natural resources, such as fresh water, arable land, and fossil fuels, at speeds faster than their rate of regeneration. Meaning, we're using up our natural resources faster than they can regenerate themselves. We're going to run out. It's destined to happen. It's just a matter of time. Overpopulation is a great deal that many people don't know about, and it needs to be known. If nothing happens, then we are going to face some serious issues with running out of food, water, and gas and oil, and the world's just gonna end because we're not gonna know what to do. And what happens then? That's the question. Nobody knows. Thank you.